friends, this is our table setting for Christmas this year. I am so in love with it, guys. Hi, I'm Jasmine. Watch along as I show you how to do a Christmas tree napkin fold. First, we start with a 20 by 20 napkin. We fold it in half and then fold it in half again to create a square. Then rotate that square with the folds facing you and gently fold each triangle corner upwards, just like so. Then we will carefully flip the entire creation over. And on this part, we are simply just making a triangle fold. So you'll start on the right side and create a triangle. And then we'll take the left side and create another triangle directly on top of that. Now let's flip this back over again, and we're going to take this top fold and peel it upwards. Repeating this as we go down to the bottom of the napkin and tucking each piece inside of the one above it. The last one, just tuck that in neatly, and there you go. We have a Christmas tree napkin fold. Now let's add a little bow at the top. I think this just makes it really look like a Christmas tree, and it's so pretty. This honestly would look great in any color scheme that you have for your table. A green Christmas tree, blue, you name it, whatever works for you. So let's set this on my table. My colors are red and gold, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.